The Notre-Dame Cathedral began construction in 1163 and was completed by 1260. It is a Catholic cathedral dedicated to the Virgin Mary. Considered one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture, its use of the rib vault, flying buttress, many sculptures and naturalist perspective distinguish it from the earlier Romanesque style. The cathedral was modified over time. During the French Revolution, the Notre Dame was severely defaced, with much of its religious imagery damaged or destroyed. It was then temporarily converted into a temple of reason, which was an atheistic state temple attempting to replace Christianity with the cult of reason. The cult of reason was proposed as a guiding moral framework that would promote reason, virtue, and liberty. In 1701, Napoleon restored the use of the cathedral to the Catholic Church. Just 3 years later, in 1804, Napoleon crowned himself emperor at Notre-Dame. Between 1844 and 1864, Jean-Baptiste Lassus and Eugène Viollet-le-Duc helped redesign and renovate the cathedral, inspired by the original Gothic style. On the 26th of August, 1944, General Charles de Gaulle celebrated the liberation of Paris from the Nazi forces with a special Mass at Notre-Dame. Fast forward to recent times, in 2019 a fire broke out at the Notre-Dame, destroying part of the roof and spire. Reconstruction lasted 3 years, with reopening ceremonies in December 2024. There has been some controversy surrounding the replacement of the old stained glass with a more modern style. Overall, the Notre Dame remains a cherished place of worship for many around the world, with as many as 15 million people visiting each year. Have you ever been to the cathedral? Thank you for watching Learn Something New.